We're gonna take some hot dogs and have some fun. Hot dog, rattlesnake tails. Hey, the first thing we're gonna do on these guys is just 2 marks across the top. Maybe a 1/4 inch deep. You can see what I'm doing there. You can see the two marks. That's what you want to do with each of these guys for this. Again, I'll show you the complete marking here in a second, but to get them to turn out looking like a rattlesnake tail. I'm down to my last one here of the horizontal slices. Now what we're going to do is just come across all of them. Score. Right? If they're all in a row like this, it makes it a lot easier for you. And I'm going to do this about every 1/2 inch. All right, got them all scored across here. And you can see, right, that's what they look like. Now I'm coming in with some yellow mustard. We're just going to use this as a binder for our seasoning. All right, we've got these dogs all slathered up. Put on some of your favorite rub. I just happen to be using the cactus dust. Use whatever you like. There's no sugar in this one, and I eat keto. And you want to make sure you get each of these hot dogs turned over so we can season the other side. I've just about got these done. I'm going to go get the grill ready. We're going to try to cook today between 3 and 325. I'm just going to get these hot dogs on this grill. And you can see I'm cooking over direct heat. Hey, it's been about 10, 12 minutes. Let's flip these hot dogs over. I do want to turn all these over. Get a little of that crispy, little bit of crispy going on all sides. Get the lid back down. For total cook time, 20 to 22 minutes. Now we can get these hot dogs off here for the next step. Nice little collar, you can see them opening up there for a rattlesnake tail. We want to get these hot dogs off here for this next step we're going to do. Let me get this last one off. Now obviously you want to be careful not to burn your hand, but I'm going to cut these in roughly thirds, these hot dogs. And like I say, they're pretty hot. So you want to be careful not to burn yourself. Now I'm just going to put these hot dogs in this aluminum disposable pan. Just kind of spread them around here so that, most of them are flat in the pan. Now, what I'm going to do is come in with some barbecue sauce. Now, mine is sugar-free, right? I eat keto, no sugar. If you want to sweeten this up even more, first of all, use your own barbecue sauce, the one you like. But you could even put like a 1/4 cup of brown sugar in here if you wanted. You could easily put 1/3 cup of honey sprinkled in here as well. But again, I'm just going to go up this barbecue sauce. I don't know why I'm drizzling it. I just pour it in. I've got nothing else to do with this bottle. Anyway, let's get these all mixed in, and then we're going to get back out there on our grill. Let's get this grill lid back up. Get our dogs on and this lid back down. It's been 40 minutes in that foil. So I think we said we were roughly 20, now 40, so roughly an hour. My grill ran right around 300 degrees today. We're gonna get over to the grill and have a look at these rattlesnake tails. Let's get this lid up. And what I want to do is get these guys out of here. We'll plate them up. There you can see those little rattlesnake tail hot dog bites. Let's give one of these guys a try. Perfect if you're having a bunch of people over, inexpensive, especially if kids are coming, right? Every kid loves hot dogs. They look like rattlesnake tails. You gotta try them.